Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters to narrow down your search while looking for flight tickets. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website or the app on your device, tap on this home button down below, and then you should select the flight option at the top and type in the relevant information to search for the flight, including the type of trip, departure and destination, number of travelers and the class, and click on the search flights button, and after that you will be able to see the available flights. And if you want to apply filters, tap on this filter button on the right side down below. Here you can set the depart price and the return price on this slide and the stops as well. Then click on the apply button, and here you can see the results according to your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.